I have like 6 social distortion shirts in my Johnny Cash.
Knock it off!
I'm gonna take it.
You can't fit it, you dumbass.
How do you know?
I'm like 5'5", you jackass.
So what you're saying?
Yeah, Dave.
Over.
Yes. When did you take those pictures? The ones that you sent Byron.
Oh, like earlier?
Like earlier. Dick. So when are you coming? He's not humping her. That's just what dogs do. Girls do it too. The dog, my dog is humping Daisy. Watch. Can you see him?
What the hell? Yeah.
Watch, he's gonna start humping her.
This is like porn.
He's on her head now.
Not my type.
Look! He's not trying to hump her either. He has no balls. He doesn't know what humping is.
Why do you have a dog with no testicles?
Because they chopped him off when he was a baby.
Well, that was fucked up.
Yeah. Look now, she's gonna hump him.
I'd like the Holocaust.
Sad enough.
Who's all going to Disneyland? I am.
I'm not. Well, we gotta get Christina passed.
We got knock passes.
We're definitely
To where?
We'll go to Knott's Berry Farm. They got a new ride, Brendan.
Baby! Baby, come here!
What?
Look at him.
The dog's humping Daisy.
They're having fun.
I love you, baby. Look, now she's humping him. Let's get all the way down in there.
Hey.
Hold on, I gotta watch it.
You gotta do what?
Hey, come here. Come here.
Why?
Come here.